UAVS stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Ageagle stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in this space has come even close to making the amount of videos that I've done. It's not just about making the videos. I've been showing you what's printing me money and what's not, 5 years straight, documenting everything. Yesterday's idea was very on point. I've documented everything. You can see it was 217 at the time, 20 hours ago. This is exactly what I wanted to see. This is pre-market, you know what I mean? Yesterday pre-market, and it just pumped. Pre-market here is even higher. So honestly speaking, I will leave it how it is. I'll not just pump here. I'll come here and just try to force random bias or whatever. You're just mainly sticking to the bias. And in this particular instance, yes, ideally I would like to take even higher, but it really depends where we open today. And I just need more candles to appear on the chart to update this. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. Stay tuned and I'll keep you updated.